How to block a contact from calling or texting on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the More button at the top. And from the menu, tap on Settings. In here, we go down and then tap on Block Numbers. Next in here, tap on Contacts. Now from the list of contacts, select a contact that you would like to block. Then tap on Done. And that's it. So now we have blocked that particular selected contacts. Now if you want to unblock them, you can just tap on the Remove button and that will allow you to unblock them. You can also manually block a phone number. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then tap on Add. And it said that you will no longer receive calls from that number. So that once you add it to the block list, it will block that person from calling as well as texting you. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, alternatively, you can also open up your phone app, then tap on Contacts. From the list of contacts, open up the contact, then tap on the Information button. And from here, tap on More, then tap on Block Contact, and then tap on Block. So again, that will do the same thing. So you can go into that, tap on the Information button. You can see up here, it shows the phone number has been blocked. You can tap on More, and you can also unblock it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.